Hello, my name is Haley Engel. This video is for my Anatomy and Physiology 2 class. This is for my Module 8 Part 1 assignment, which asks to create a video of pointing out 3 of the major organs or parts of the female reproductive system. And 3 that I have chosen are the ovaries, the vagina, and the uterus. The first organ I selected is the ovaries. The main function of the ovaries is to produce eggs that are also called ova for excuse me, that are transported by the fallopian tubes to the uterus, where it can hopefully come into contact with sperm to produce a fetus. So the second organ I've chosen is the uterus, and the uterus is where the egg, if fertilized, will implant itself and then grow and help house the fetus until it is ready to be born. The third organ that I have selected as a part of the reproductive system for a female is the vagina. The vagina actually has 3 main functions, and the first is that it is the place where the penis enters the body for females to reproduce and to introduce the sperm into the female's body. A second is that it is the place where blood and tissue are excreted monthly for women during their menstrual cycle to excrete it from the body, and it is also the area that a fetus will pass through during the process of childbirth.